Here's another one. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I am Coach Sherry, and this is a nighttime walk down the Riverwalk Boardwalk in Wilmington, North Carolina. The conference was done for the day, and I went to get some food with some colleagues and was walking back to the hotel, and it was such a beautiful night. It was a little chillier than I expected it to be, but it was a beautiful night, and I decided to capture it on video. So I hope you enjoy this walk with me. I wish it was warmer because I would have loved to have sat out and possibly have gone live and just kind of talked to you while we watched the night water. But that wasn't the case, so I just walked. I'm surprised that I didn't have any fear. Earlier in the day, in the morning, when I was walking to the other hotel for the conference, I did notice quite a few homeless people, and fortunately, I didn't see any that night, so maybe there's a shelter that they can go to at night. But one thing I did think about were river rats. If you are familiar with a river rat, please leave a comment down below. I was really thinking I would see some scurrying around, or some movement under the bushes or something like that, but I didn't encounter any of those things, and I was really grateful. A lot of times, especially when a place is not as populated, and as you can see, really no one. I mean, I did encounter a few people here and there, but it wasn't crowded or anything, and this is a perfect time for the animals to come out. So I was definitely on the lookout, looking down below, being very mindful. But you see that spider? I'm not sure what kind of spider it was, but you know what? We are outside, so that's his house or her house. And so I thought this was a beautiful walk. I've been here when it was warmer, and definitely by the water. It is very balmy typically, but this evening the air was pretty crisp. It wasn't really cold, but it was cooler, like I said, than I expected. And I didn't have a jacket, so I really was trying to just get back to my hotel so I can get to my room. But it was a really nice day. I did have a video of the restaurant. And I'll try to put it in here somewhere or link it or something. But yeah, I did have a video earlier from the dinner, and just a couple of clips of the food and everything. I think that would have been the video when I walked in the morning to the hotel, to the conference. I'm not sure. But look how still and calm that water is. It's beautiful. That's the boat ramp for the boats to go in. And I had seen them earlier, this boat place where they actually fix the boats, maybe paint them, refurbish them, build them. And I thought that was really interesting. And this is the little shop right here. It's probably been here for decades. I wish I would have went further down, but I stopped at my hotel. But I wish I would have went further down because there were so many yachts down further. I actually did go down there on my very last day, just taking a peek, but it was so many yachts down there. Boating season has just begun. The weather is turning better, and perfect days to be out on the water. This area right here, I really was expecting to see something crawling or hear something. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they have alligators in Wilmington. If you've heard that there's alligators in Wilmington, please leave a comment down below and let me know, what did you hear? Did you ever see any alligators in Wilmington, North Carolina? and this is the Cape Fear River. There's my hotel. And like I mentioned before, my hotel it was very old, but they definitely renovated the rooms. And I do have a video of the room. I'll be posting that shortly as well. And I think they did a really good job, because that hotel with the blue lights down there is where the conference was. And it's a very, very nice hotel. It's the Baltic Hotel. I believe it's owned by Hilton. And the hotel I stayed at was the Coastal Inn Best Western. But from what I've heard, my hotel was much nicer. I mean, I've stayed at the Baltic before, but this time around, I don't know if they didn't do renovations, if they were understaffed. I'm not sure, but people were saying they had to request for their rooms to be swept out when they first arrived, and just little things that I definitely did not have to, worry about. But the exterior, there's not much you can do when it's all brick, unless you try to paint it or something. But my hotel was all brick, and it wasn't very big. I think it might have been 3 stories, and this is me walking up to it. But the rooms were very, very nice. I shouldn't say very, very, but very nice. All right, I'm getting ready to go into the gate and head to the elevator to go up to my room. I appreciate you for walking along with me on this beautiful evening. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. If you are not yet part of this team, I invite you now to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post new videos. Thank you.